Really spectacular. Yes, this time the English porter. If you can try it because I think finally they found the right combination. Hello guys, today we make English porter using the kit from the IGULU. At the beginning I was a little bit skeptic about this fermenter dispenser, but now I'm using always or with the kit or with the whole grain recipe that I make it. Now I want to try this porter because now they are increasing also the different kind of beer to see if it's spectacular or not. Plus, you can use it also normally. Before there was my all grain beer using the grain roasted by me in the oven, but you will see the video soon. Some people is worried about the washing or sanitization. Just now I wash it with hot water and soap, the dish soap. But if you are a little bit worried, you can use sanitizer. The important that you wash very well with hot water and you will have no problem. But don't worry, maybe very soon I will post a video speaking about infection in the beer. I can tell you already that if you get infection in the beer, it's not a problem, you can drink it. The only problem will be maybe the taste that will be a little bit sour. But don't worry, with this kit it's almost impossible. Plus, some other ask me, but when you finish the fermentation, this one will not catch all the yeast on the bottom. No, like you can see, the pipe or the tube is not long enough to touch the bottom. It's done like this properly. So at the end your beer will be super clear, no yeast in the glass, don't worry. Coming back to the recipe, you need only the bag and the water. Before I forgot, remember that in the description of the video, here under the video, you can find a link to buy with the discount coupons. And remember to check, because sometimes one time is a Black Friday, one time is Independence Day, one time is a Christmas, one time is the anniversary of the company. They make some promotion. So plus the discount, you can have a good deal. And also you can have the discount on the product. Remember, if you have some doubt, don't worry, you can write me. So now I put the water. They advise to use no tap water, so you need filter water or water from the bottle, only because we are not boiling the water. We use normal water directly. So if there is something in the water, you will not kill it, so better to use filter water or water from the bottles. This is the reason. In the back you have also all the instruction, but I'll show you later, so we will read the instruction and do directly. Before I want to show you what you can find in the box: the dry malt, hops, the yeast, and the RFID card. Is the card that you pass close to the machine, and the machine have already the recipe memorized, and we start all the process. Super easy. So let's prepare it. If you read it, they say everything should be clean. We add the purified water until we reach the level. Drip the hop extract into the water. We stir very well. Add the malt extract, still very well. and we sprinkle the yeast on the top without stirring, and 50 grams of sugar, but in the instruction they didn't write it exactly, but don't tell to them. So with this ingredient, without the sugar, the alcohol content at the end will be maximum 5%. So I will add other 50 grams of sugar. In this way the alcohol content will be around 6, just to increase a little bit, because the porter I like a little bit stronger. You know that I like to make experiments, so also with this machine that have already the program, I like to make experiment, and also you can also decide the program to use it inside the machine, because it's easier. I scan with this, but you have the opportunity to decide all the fermentation temperature, how many days do you want, so you can do what do you like, what do you prefer. This is why I want to add 50 grams of sugar. I don't know if you notice, to mix all the ingredients, I use the pipe, the tube that is attached to our fermenter lid. Why? Because we sanitize everything. After we take a spoon, maybe a wooden spoon like this, and we stir. And all the yeast, all the bacteria, all the things that are in the wood will go inside our fermenter, and maybe you get infection. In this way, everything was super clean, and you will be more safe, better safe than sorry. So now I put everything inside, connect all the pipes, and after I will scan, and we can start our fermentation. You can see the program. 10 days at 20 Celsius degree, 1 day at 2 Celsius degree, and 4 days at 2 Celsius degree. So the temperature will drop, and after we stay like this only to clean our beer. Like you can notice, now the temperature here in the room is 27 Celsius degree. Now the machine, the fridge inside, start working, and will drop the temperature at 20 Celsius degree. So the fermentation will be perfect. Super easy. In 10 minutes we prepare our beer. Now we should wait only 15 days, and after we can do the tasting. See you soon. The last 5 days of the fermentation, the temperature will drop. Now from 20 is already to 18 Celsius degree. Later I will show you the temperature that the fridge will reach. Like I mentioned, now is cold crash step. So the temperature drop, and all the things in suspensions drop on the bottom of the fermenter. So our beer will be crystal clear. When all the day of the program pass, the beer is ready. You can notice, because now is 1 Celsius degree, so very fresh, ready to drink it. And also the light is green, means ready to drink it. So now we open the CO2, and we wait 12-24 hours, always better before the tasting. So see you tomorrow for the tasting. The color is perfect, perfect English porter color. Let's test it, but I will test it together with my homemade truffle salami. this homemade salami with truffle. Really, really spectacular. Let's test the beer. Really, really spectacular. Yes, this time the English porter. If you can try it because I think finally they found the right combination. Yeah, this is super good. Really, really a real beer also if you make it with the powder. Remember that you can buy it, the ingredients and also the kit with the discount. Follow with the link under the video. If you have some doubts, some questions, let me know. Yeah, really spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice or some question, please write me down in the comment. I will try to help you. If you have some recipe to suggest, some people ask me, can I use this fermenter dispenser also without the kit? Yes, you can brew your beer like usually, all grain, and put the worst inside the batch, the fermenter that I use, and ferment it directly there. So without buying the kit. So up to you. I show different video. If you cannot find it, you can write me. I will send you the link so you can see all my experiment. Bye bye.